to Cactusville, one of the most adventurous towns in the Southwest. This year's a place where the sun is always shining, the skies are big and blue, and the mountain peaks sparkle like a trail of treasure. Yeehaw!
God has saved us and called us to a holy calling. We are called.
In Cactusville, every buckaroo and little cowpoke will discover that they are called by God, called to be unconditionally loved, and called to be accepted just as they are, and called to a special purpose that only they can live out. Each day, kids will hunt and discover treasures and adventures. And trust me, they'll have a rip-roaring good time doing it. With skits, stories, games, crafts, snacks, and music and prayer. Every part of Cactusville points to Jesus and His amazing call on their lives. So settle up and get ready, partner! Adventure, faith, and fun await you in Cactusville VBS at Zomi SDA Tulsa Church. YEEHAW!
God has saved us and called us to a holy calling. We are called. God has saved us and called us to a holy calling. We are called.
See you there! Wait, where is it and when is it? Good question, buckaroo. VBS will be from July 20 to the 25th from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the Cactusville Zomi SDA Church. See you there!